Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a quick and straightforward guide on how to reset your Wells Fargo password. Whether you've forgotten it or just want to update for security reasons, this process is simple and can be done in a few minutes. Let's get started, so you can get back to managing your accounts without any hassle. First things first, head over to the Wells Fargo website. You can do this from your computer or even your mobile device. Just open your preferred web browser and type in www.wellsfargo.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign On button, usually at the top right corner. Click on that, and then you'll see an option that says Forgot Password, or something similar. Go ahead and click it. Now, Wells Fargo will ask you to verify your identity to make sure it's really you. This might involve entering your username, the last 4 digits of your social security number, or answering security questions you set up earlier. If you have access to your email or phone linked to the account, they might send a verification code there. Make sure you have that handy. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Remember, a strong password is key to protecting your information. Aim for a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Wells Fargo might even give you tips on the screen to help. Type in your new password twice to confirm, and then hit submit. After that, you're all set. You'll be logged into your account with your new password. Just a quick tip. Consider enabling two-factor authentication if it's available, as it adds an extra layer of security. And always log out after you're done to keep your info safe. There you have it. That's how you reset your Wells Fargo password in just a few easy steps. If you run into any issues, Wells Fargo has great customer support, so don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tutorials. See you next time.